Welcome to the channel, everybody, and we have a really interesting setup here. So we have NZD USD. Now, I am just adjusting this, excuse me. So I believe this is going to be selling off, and the reason I believe that is because of where we are in the market cycle, which I will try and demonstrate to you. So what I am observing is this is 2 and we're to expect 3. I think this is coming down. We can see a clear market cycle here. We can see a 1 and a 2. We created a lower high here off the back of a Gartley. We've created ultimately, this is just the first level of consolidation. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, but it's not quite. But if I can just go into some more detail. What I like about this is we've completed an ABCD and an extension, and it's this that I like. So let's just draw across the ABCD. So the ABCD, obviously we went offside, fair enough. You know, it's come back onside now. But what I like is the change of direction here, the 1 and the 2 and off the 50 EMA, which is the targeted entry for the actual trade. So we'll see how this goes. So far, so good. But we do expect an aggressive move lower. All right, thanks for watching. Welcome back, everyone. And it's just a follow-up video from the setup we had here yesterday. As you can see, this one played out really nice. We were given a clear heads up on what to expect. We had the blue ABCD, the red ABCD, albeit price went higher, but it is when it started showing us the characteristics, lower lows and lower highs. So we have 1, we have 2, the market's working 3, and we've now completed this harmonic move B to C here, and we should see price go sideways. But in the context of the larger move, this is what we are expecting. 1, 2, like I just showed you with that 1, 2, 3, we're expecting price to come right back here. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and all the best.